Hey y'all, it's your girl Luna, and welcome back to my world. This is the maintenance vlog for October. So for this maintenance vlog, I'm getting a wax, I'm getting my hair done, my nails done, as well as a pedicure. I'm tired of feeling like an old bum. I'm ready to feel like a brand new woman, so this is where it's all gonna start, with the wax. Yeah. Alright y'all, so I am back. Girl,
Come on, man.
I don't like those things. You get like those frothy, it makes me cringe so bad. Like, it's just nasty. I do look like a smurf with this on the top of my head, but I am actually going to get my hair braided now. Everything is getting done today. My hair, my nails, and my toes. So I'm essentially vlogging this whole entire maintenance routine in a week. Well, within a day, for the most part. I got my wax last week, but it's for this month, and it's still fresh down there, if you know what I mean.
Nice.
I'm actually going to start getting dressed, and then I'm going to head out to Starbucks, as y'all know, because if it's a maintenance routine day, I'm not going to have time to eat, so I'm going to sit down and get my hair ready while eating my breakfast. I will see y'all when I see y'all. Until then, bye. Just got to my braider. I had to take an Uber after I went to Starbucks because I actually left later than I thought, and I missed the train that would got me here earlier. But it's really like 9:13, and I got until 9:15 getting downstairs. So I'm running my black ass down the staircase because, yeah, I'll see y'all when I get inside. Bye. So I finished my hair, and I'm really rushing to go inside and say this so fast because I have like 1 out of 4 bars left, and I'm barely recording anything on this camera today. So, and I forgot my backup camera at home, so that even made me more frustrated. But this is what the hair is looking like. I'm going in like right there, so I'm about to run in there, start recording, because if I can't fully record all this, I might start recording my phone, and we'll see how that goes. as y'all saw, my camera died while I was doing my nails. And while I was doing getting my hair braided, I didn't get that much footage because my camera was dying. So I was trying to preserve my battery because I left my extra battery at home. So yeah, so that was a doozy. I started recording on my phone. It's crazy because the quality on my phone is actually better than the quality on this camera. I have the iPhone something, and I have it at 4K 60, and my camera's 4K 30. So just saying, the quality on my phone is a lot better, I guess. But yeah, I did my hair. I feel like I would look really cute bald with some like finger waves, but
Boy, if you don't get
I did my hair. This is what it's looking like. My braider did that, and the hair is actually boho. Didn't do my eyebrows because I do it whenever I'm ready. I got my nails done. I know I said that I was actually going to do the same nail design from the last maintenance vlog, but I lied. I did almost something similar. I did do chrome and French tip. I just did almond and a finger design, but got my nails done, then I got my toes done. That was a doozy because I could barely record what I wanted to record because my phone was also dying. Like, all my stuff was dying today. I didn't charge nothing. I didn't bring my portable chargers. Like, it was just bad. But that was basically it for the whole entire maintenance vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I'm going to link all of my service providers, their Instagram, and their booking sites in the description box below. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. But before y'all go, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video.